Hi, I'm Adam Syed. I am a Suzuki violin teacher based in Seattle, Washington, and today we are going to tackle the dance section of the Seitz Concerto No. 2, third movement. I once had a teacher when I was a kid who compared this piece to Cinderella, and this is the scene where she is dancing with the prince at the ball. Okay, so to learn the notes, I would take out the slurs and just practice with separate bows. So I'm starting on G, that's the third finger on the D string. So in the second line that starts on the F sharp, the second finger, then we have what we call an E sharp. So the normal first finger position is here, okay? And you can see there's a little bit of space between, even from this camera angle, you can see the space between the first and the second finger when the first finger is in the normal position. But now we're going to extend the knuckle up to here. Okay? So, after you have just practiced the notes, the left hand, then we can add the slur, then we can add the right hand articulation, okay? In other words, so now we can, so you have to save bow. You can't, you don't want to have a fast bow that gets to the near the tip too soon. You don't want to be going, okay? So you want to conserve bow. Okay, so once again, start practicing by practicing slowly. I can't emphasize this enough. So many young people want to just go right to full tempo when they're practicing at home without practicing slowly and building up. Okay, so the final tempo will be. That's a goal tempo, okay? But start out with separate bows so that you're just focusing on the correct notes over here. Then we'll add because it takes some skill and concentration to, to use the right speed and length of bow and not go too fast and run out of bow or go too slow and it sounds kind of cramped and smushed. So just practice it separately. Okay, so hopefully this video is clear enough and you can see which fingers are going where, when. And like I said, when we practice just the left hand by itself and don't worry about the bowings, and then we add the bowings later, this is what one of my old teachers in Cleveland liked to call divide and conquer. This is the violin version of divide and conquer. We focus on the left hand, then we focus on the right, then we add the right hand. Okay? All right, hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.